Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to do multitasking on iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to multitask on iPhone. It is because you're somebody who likes to do a lot of stuff at the same time because you want to save your time. Or maybe there's any other reason for you to multitask on iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first what I'll do is I'll show you that how multitasking looks like on the screen. So as you can see we have splitted screen on the iPhone. That means we could use two different kinds of apps or could do different types of tasks at the same time. On the top, YouTube is playing and on the bottom, Amazon is open. As you can see, both of these screens are working. That means we could use two different kind of things at the same time. So this is how you could do multitasking. So to do that, what you have to do is I'll show you that you have to install an app, which is the third party app from App Store, which will help you to do multitasking on this mobile phone. So for that, first you have to go to the App Store of your mobile phone, and then you have to go to the search section, and in the search section you have to search for the split screen. Once you write it down, just search it, and there you will get different kinds of searches, but you have to select this one. This is the app that you have to install. Its name is split screen dual window. You have to install it and then you have to open it, and there you will see two different browsers. This app only useful for the browser. You cannot open the two apps at the same times, but you can run two different kinds of apps on the browser. You just have to just simply click on any one of these options and then you can use the screen. As you can see on the top screen, I am searching for something on Wikipedia and the screen is working. And at the bottom, I am going to play a video on YouTube, and there you can see the video also got played. You can also do one thing, which is you can increase the size of any one of these options by just swiping down this line, and the screen will get bigger or smaller, and you can use both of the screens. So that's how you can do multitasking on iPhone by just splitting the screen through this app. You have to download this app from App Store. Without this app, it is not possible to do multitasking or split screen. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can do multitasking on iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.